Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Today, as we celebrate Gणतन Divas, we are not just remembering a date in history, we are honoring a promise that every citizen matters, a promise that justice, equality, and dignity are not privileges but rights. Our constitution gave us freedom, but it also gave us responsibility to speak for the unheard, to stand for the weak, and to act with conscience. True patriotism is not only loving our country, but serving its people with honesty and compassion. Let us remember India's strength does not lie only in the borders, but is the values and its people and its collective courage. Ganatantra is not just a power to vote, but the courage to stand for what is right every single day. Once a school teacher asked her students, "Who runs our country?" Some said, "The Prime Minister." Others said, "The government." A little girl quietly raised her hand and said, "Ma'am, we do." The teacher smiled and asked, "Why do you think so?" The teacher smiled and asked, "Why do you think so?" The child replied, "Because if we choose honesty over corruption, kindness over cruelty, and duty over fear, then the country becomes strong." The day the teacher realized Ganatantra lives not in buildings of power, but in the heart of responsible citizens. Thank you. Jai Hind.